Hi, you guys. Welcome back. My name is Carrie Penny. I am the Happy Crafty Homemaker, and today we're going to be unboxing my first month with the Club EP kit. So this is a Echo Park kit. Echo Park, I believe, owns Cartabella, so I don't know if like some months it's Cartabella stuff, some months it's Echo Park stuff. But we're gonna I know I will stick with this for at least 3 months, kind of in theme with my yarn subscription box unboxings, but I can't promise I'm definitely going to work from this every month I get it or unbox it on the channel. That's kind of a lot for me to commit to, but I did want to share because I have had quite a few people asking me about what subscription boxes have I tried? Which ones haven't I tried? Really, to be honest, the only subscription boxes with paper crafting I have done is I did get the Simon Says Stamp monthly card making kit. I have not, since we moved, I've gotten 2 of the kits, but I technically need to cancel it and re-sign up for it because they've still got my old address on the kit. And even when I have wanted it, I haven't really wanted to go through the process of changing my address for the kit, even though like if I place an order, like the order comes to the new house. So obviously I didn't want it enough that like it was worth a phone call. It's great. Like it really is a great kit. It is a little spendy and it is a little bit more stamp heavy than I tend to craft. Part of knowing yourself as a crafter is knowing what you really need versus what you don't need. I enjoy letting the paper do the work for me. I am very much a into the paper person. I use stamps for sentiment. So that's not really the push for me. But the Simon Says kit is beautiful almost every single month. But most of your value is in the stamp kit you get. And that was just not quite what I needed. But this is a perfect stamp kit for me because it's a lot of sentiments, which is what I do use stamping for. So I was very happy for that. We have inspiration of what to do with our kit here. And Winter Market is the pad, and that is a Cartabella pad. So, okay, well, that answers that question. Yes, we do get Cartabella stuff in here too. And I love the Cartabella papers. I haven't opened anything. I very loosely kind of went through this when it came in my mail the other day. 6x6 paper pad is double-sided. I think it's super adorable. We got the coordinating enamel dots, which I love. We got the ephemera pack. Now, I frequently do not buy the ephemera packs when I'm doing card making. This is just paper crafting. This is not specific to card making. They do appear to have a card making kit, though, that focuses on the 6x6 pad. So I might switch to that eventually. I don't know. We'll see how this goes. But this ephemera pack in particularly has a lot of stuff I would use as a card maker. I love this little hot cocoa sign. Like, I kind of want to duplicate that with my Cricut and, like, do, like, one of those tiles or something like that. Or, like, a piece of stained wood and, like, stencil it and paint it. But, yeah, a lot of these are very card maker friendly. And, of course, the one right here on the front. Thank you so much. Yeah, I'm a little bit of a dork. We got a chipboard accent sticker sheet. I love the little trees. That would be great for scrapbooking. I'm not sure. A lot of these are good for card making. I'm not saying that, but things like the trees, I'm not quite sure how those would get incorporated heavily. Let's look at their... Yeah, so they've got scrapbooking, building the scrapbook, like, which when it comes to scrapbooking, that's actually more what I'm into, is building the book, not filling it with my pictures. They do have cards on here, scrapbook layouts. These are like little box wrappers decorated gift boxing. So they do show quite a bit of different things on here that you can do. And the actual directions they have are for this little card and for that scrapbook page. So this is generally paper crafting. The other thing we have is this, and I'm very, very sorry for the crinkling, but we are going to have to crinkle here. Okay, so like, because this is a paper crafting kit, you might be new to how I do subscription box reviews, and I'm not going to call this a review series because I'm not really going to review this, but I try to find out as little as possible going in, knowing kind of vague details. So I'm not sure if this is directly, if you were to buy the 12 by 12 kit that normally comes with the 12 by 12 sticker sheet, I'm not sure if that's what this is, because this does not have any of the outside, the outside of those kits normally look kind of just like the 6x6 paper pad. So I'm not sure what we're actually getting in here. But this is the sticker sheet. And once again, now the tree stickers can get more easily used on cards, but super adorable. Now, I have to say, Cardabella uses like watercolor cardstock, which has always been one of the reasons why I love their papers, because, and I don't know if you can quite see that texture. Yeah, you can. So when they do a sheet like that, that definitely looks like little watercolored hot cocoa mugs, I just think it makes their collections pop and stand out. I'm a huge fan of Cardabella. I like Echo Park quite a bit. Oh, how cute. I like Echo Park quite a bit. I like what they put out. I like their collection ideas and stuff. I love that. That's a beautiful neutral. But the Cardabella collections are just a step above, in my opinion. They do a lot of the Christmas collections that I just want to buy and hoard, because they do a lot of the vintagey feeling collections. So I've been a huge fan of Cardabella since day one with paper crafting. Oh, that's a cut apart sheet. Let's back out there a little bit. So there's lots of stuff in there that'll be great for cards, to be the focal point on cards. I'll probably take like these little guys and do a layout with those specifically on a card. Oh, how cute is that? Yeah, I haven't gone through this at all. I just looked to see like what in general was in here. That is, oh, cut aparts. So once again, those will be great on cards for me, but look at how beautiful that is. I like that quite a bit. Oh, happy snowed man. So I'm not sure like what sheets of this come in the kit when you buy the 12 by 12 like scrapbooking kit, and which of these are just part of, oh, more cut aparts, part of the collection in general. Because a lot of times, you know, there's more paper than what comes in the kits. Oh, a big version of that. So I had seen that before, just in the big version. But yeah, I like the fact there's so many cut aparts, because that tends to be what I run out of when I do cards. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we got 12 sheets of paper plus the sticker sheet in there. So I think that's what normally comes in the kit. So maybe this is the whole kit. It just doesn't have the branding sheet in the front. I have not seen this collection before, so I'm assuming it's generally the new releases we're going to be getting in this kit. we're making some assumptions, but so that would mean, you know, you're paying $15.99 for the 12 by 12 kit normally. The paper pad is like $5 or $6.99. The enamel dots are $3.99, I think. The ephemera pack and the chipboard accents would be like $3.99, $4.99. And then the little stamp collection there, a lot of places are going to charge you like $10 for that. I don't think the Cartabella and Echo Park stamps are really that expensive, but I mean, I paid like 20 some odd dollars for this, I think. I mean, I paid under 40. You get very desensitized to how much like things cost. I'll put everything up at the end just like I did with my warehouse unboxing kit thing. But like, I remember looking at this and looking at what you're supposed to get and thinking that was better than like the Tuesday morning pricing. So, like I said, I mean, that's 15, 20, 25, 28, $32 in value. Without double checking prices, I could be like way off base. But yeah, I mean, that's a decent price, newer collection. So you're not having to wait on, you know, people to start putting things on discount, which is a thing. Well, it looks like I've got a phone call, so hold on just a second. Yeah, so what I was saying is, you know, just doing a cursory, you know, glance at like what the retail value is on these, and because it is a newer collection, it is harder to find sales on those or find them at discount prices. If you're looking at like Tuesday morning prices, you're looking at getting collections that are a year plus old. So like if you're into getting like the new, sorry, I've got my camera all wonkadoo now. I don't normally film on this side of the room. So I've got that plus stopping to take phone calls. Anyway, the value seems to be really nice. I'm not unhappy, but I will at the end put up a little in credit thing that tells you what I actually paid for it, what the retail value on it is, things like that. I also did want to mention, like when you become a Club EP member, you do get discounts on like purchases from like the warehouse sale or the warehouse box, which is why I had mentioned in my unboxing of the Echo Park warehouse box that I did have a discount on that because I'm a member of Club EP. So for now, I don't know what I'm going to be doing with this kit. So I did, because it has the 12 by 12 pieces, I did make the decision to keep it in the box for now, and I could put it on the shelf. Theme, winter, January 2021, just so I know what it is, and I don't have to like open it and thumb through it and stuff. I don't want to put that in my stash yet. I do want to keep that separate for now, but anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed seeing what I got. I hope I didn't forget to say anything because I got interrupted. But otherwise, I hope you guys have a fantastic day. I love you, and I'll see y'all real soon. Bye, guys.